In 2018, my first book, Period, came out. It's an inclusive how-to guide on everything you need to know about periods, period. And I can officially announce today that the first translation of the book, Period, is coming out, and it's coming out in Italian. Massive thank you to my amazing Italian publishers, Quinto Quarto, for believing in the translation of this book, for being the first people who backed a translation of this book. I just can't believe it's happening. I hope this is the first of many translations of this book. I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone. I'm getting emotional. I'm so happy that this book is gonna get a whole new audience of readers. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. That's awful.
All right, turning now to Italy, where floods have devastated a region in the north of the country.
Flooding in northern Italy.
Well, that flooding triggered landslides that have cut off entire towns.
48 hours of devastation.
The worst floods in over 100 years.
Italy has just been seesawing back and forth between periods of drought and heavy rain. They registered 6 months of rain in just one day.
More rain is expected in the next few days, and this emergency is not over yet.
The government is expected to declare a national state of emergency.
Just had the call. I'm excited to get to Italy. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. To Italy!
Buongiorno!
Buongiorno! To Italy! Look at these clouds! Today I'm going to the book fair. This was such a big event. I couldn't believe how big it was. It was humongous. This is the first time that I'm seeing my book in Italian. Oh my god, it looks gorgeous. And all these other books that they have as well are so gorgeous. So I felt very honoured to be alongside all these amazing authors and artists. This is the back. Oh my gosh, it's just unbelievable. And I had a vegetarian lasagna that was delicious. And then there was a whole other side of the event that I discovered. Of course, I had to have a coffee. And why does everything in Italy look just gorgeous, even the bottled water? Here we are on the way to do the damn thing. And I did some public speaking. Thank you so much to my wonderful translator, Veronica, who was incredible.
È stata sempre molto a cuore è stato quello di avere un linguaggio inclusivo e il fatto di poter utilizzare un linguaggio inclusivo è se stesso un processo di apprendimento.
Was it? Oh my god. The food. I mean, I was still a bit nervous, but I tried to eat as much as I could. And of course, had to have tiramisu. We love a tiramisu. It is 11:34 a.m. Woke up with a bit of a sore throat, but I think that just always happens when I'm doing things and talking, because I don't tend to do that in my day-to-day life. Yeah, I'm getting ready to going again to the book fair, and then I'm going to meet the Italian publishers, and we are going to all go to Bologna. I'm a bit nervous because of all the floods, but they say that the event there that I'm doing there is going ahead. So I imagine it's gonna be fine. And then I'm staying at a vineyard which has been affected by the flood, but they say it's actually fine now. So again, my anxiety is getting pretty intense. I haven't seen much, but I've talked to a lot of people and a lot of people involved in periods here and creatives, and that has been an absolute joy and pleasure. And luckily a lot of people also speak Spanish, so I've been speaking a lot of Spanish. People seem to be much more confident speaking Spanish than English. Like, yeah, they can speak both of them very well, and they're Italian. Like, make it make sense to me why I can't barely speak Spanish. Yeah, need to pack up, need to go. Am I getting a cold or just a sore throat? I don't know. Every time I'm away, I always catch something. I feel like my immune system is really bad because every time I do anything fun, like go away for work and meet people, I just get a cold and or catch COVID. Touch wood, but I won't catch COVID. That would suck. But it's happened before. Oh, okay, I've got to go. Got to go. Doing feminist books, and so immediately, without a question, when I had kind of started working on this, didn't really know what it was going to be, but was writing a lot, and they were like, it's a book, let's make a book together, and it felt like this safe space where... Still in Italy, I have woken up in the most gorgeous place ever I've been to. I'm in a vineyard which is owned by one of the publishers. It's near where the flood has been happening, but it is so gorgeous here and so sad about all the floods that has been happening around here. Every time I've done an event where I have to talk and public speak, even in London, when I'm in the comfort of my own house, the night before I just can't eat and I don't sleep very well, and to do 3 of those like back to back here, I just thought, yes, it's going to be great, we're going to do it, it's going to be fine, without forgetting that I do get so nervous for quite a long time before. And one of the nice things about when I do events at the end, I just, tell myself, just like, get through it, and as soon as it's over, I get this like wave of relief where I can like finally eat and like relax and sleep. And one of the things I've been finding about here and doing events back to back each day is that at the end of the event I won't get that wave of relief. I will almost get like worse anxiety, because I'm like, well, now I'm full of this stress hormone that's running through my body, and now I've got another one, you know. And so it just felt like every day has passed, my the tension in my body has gotten worse, and my stomach has felt even more like a rock. Yeah, I think I also feel so low energy. I'm such an introvert, like it's so intense being around people all the time, but it's been such a joyful experience, and I've been trying to push myself through, and luckily like I feel like I've slept really well a few nights, and yeah, I've never done anything like this before, so it feels like a lot, but in a really positive way, and people here, I've had such a good time. Look at this room as well.
Sí. Vamos a abrir la próxima semana. Y cuando la abro, pongo las camitas aquí en el medio. ¿Qué pasa? Aquí está uva.
Oh, esa es la cosa que tú estabas hablando. Es como puerta secreto.
Sí, que no se ve.
Oh, gallinas.
Todavía no sabemos si son gallo o gallina.
Oh, son chicos.
Son chicos, sí. Tienen como 2 meses.
Se ven muy lindos. Son chicos. Mi abuela siempre tiene gallinos.
Bueno, estas sin cola, las gallinas sin cola son chilenas. Se llaman araucana y hacen los huevos verdes, esos huevos que habías arriba, son chilenos.
Hello everyone! I am just editing this video and I've realised that maybe it's best to cut this here, and I'm going to do a part 2, so stay tuned for the rest of the Italy video. There was just so much gorgeous footage and I didn't want to cut anything from this video. So I'm so excited to share the next video with you. Please let me know if you like this. This is the Patreon downloadable for this month, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Ciao, ciao.